Hey everyone, today I am working on putting new electric boxes in on the farm. I was having trouble with my electric fence and the little buggers started getting out. So there's issues with hydro in this barn. Like all old barns, the corrosion builds up and then things don't work. So today I put one of those boxes right there. I wish I could have put it on the inside, but it's better than it was on the other side where the rain kind of comes in this way and just fills it. Yeah, the cattle discover quickly that when the electric fence is off. And yeah, so I had to do some YouTube and then some learning on wiring because unfortunately it's never been my strong suit. So I got a couple extra tools to kind of make it so I didn't electrocute myself. This thing is really nice. I just picked up, I don't know if I can use this for testing electric fences. I'm still 50-50 on it. It just tells you whether there's actually electricity going through a line. And yeah, so I'm doing that just to kind of test so you don't accidentally touch a hot line. But these are the ones I got, and they're fully waterproof. And it's kind of, I originally was looking at something like this where the box slid open. Just give me one sec.